If you want to unlink your Hulu account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Hulu. Open your web browser and go to the Hulu website. Enter your login credentials to access your Hulu account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Settings. Click on this to find options related to linked accounts. Step 4. Manage linked accounts. Within the Privacy settings, locate the section that shows your linked accounts. Here, you should see Facebook listed as a connected account. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Hulu. Confirm the action if prompted to complete the process. After following these steps, your Hulu account will no longer be connected to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking Hulu's Help Center for additional support.